Hi! In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, just click on this little icon next to the device, select Unpair, and to connect to the same one, just click on it and tap on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!